Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply mobile device mailbox policy in your Office 365. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Office 365 Exchange Admin Center. So here, if you go to mobile, you have mobile device access and mobile device mailbox policy. So this is what we are gonna see. So as of now, I have this default policy. So I have an option to create a new one, or I can even modify this. Let's see. Okay. If I go to security tab, so here is what we can save. Like if I go for this, require a mobile device mailbox password. So I can allow simple password, or I can move it to require an alphanumeric password. I can request encryption. I can determine the length, sign in for failure before the device is wiped, requires after has been inactive for minutes, enforce password lifetime number of days, password recycle count. I can set up these policies, then anyone that he logs in on a mobile device has to maintain this policy. If I want to create a policy altogether, I can create a new. So I can uh, give it a name. For example, if I give it a name test, I can click on next. Here the similar security settings I can provide, and in the next I can create. Now I have add security policy because you have the option to do it, and if you want to edit the policy, you can do that. So that's how simple it is, guys, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.